Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain you how to write a notice. What is a notice, how it is written, why it is written, who writes it, and to whom it is written. In your school also, you must have got so many notices on different events. Suppose if you are going on a picnic, you must have got a notice from your principal. And that notice may be having all the information that is required by you. So we can say a notice is a formal piece of communication issued by someone to a large number of people in an organization. A notice gives answers to all WH words like what, where, when, how, etc. It means whenever you write a notice, you should keep in your mind a reader can ask so many questions. So your notice should give all the answers to these questions. A notice is enclosed in a box. After writing a notice, you will enclose it in a box. Let's see the format. First of all, we will write the name of the organization on the top in bold print. Here I have written school's name of the school, St. Francis Xavier School. The word notice, it will be written under this organizations. Then in the left corner below the notice, you will write date. I have written here 20th July 20. You have to keep in your mind J will be capital. After the date, you will write subject. I have written here trip to MZ Resort. Then you will start writing your body, and when the body completes, you will write the name of the writer. Here the name of the writer is Sumati. Then designation of the writer, activity in charge. In the notices you have got in the school, you must have seen here father's signature, and then you must have seen here principal. Principal is the designation of father. Now today I am giving you to write one notice. You are Mahek, an activity in charge of this school. Write a notice to the students informing about a poem recitation competition. Now you have to write a notice being Mahek, an activity in charge. First of all, what will you write? You will write the name of the institution, St. Francis Xavier School. Below that, you will write the word notice in bold print and then underline it, then today's date. After that you will write subject, poem recitation for classes 4 and 5. Then you will start writing notice. Our school is organizing a poem recitation competition for classes 4 and 5 on Saturday, 25th July at 10 a.m. in the school auditorium. Here I have given which classes? 4 and 5. On what day? Saturday. On which date? 25th July. What time or when it is held? It is to be held 10 a.m. And where it is to be held? In the school auditorium. So I have given all the WH questions answers over here. Now in the next paragraph, then you will write students interested in taking part in the poem recitation competition should give their names to their class teachers till 21st July. Now one more thing to keep in your mind. Here I have written the date when the competition is to be held. But here I have written the date before the competition, 2 or 3 days before the competition, because you have to collect the entries before the competition's date so that the arrangements could be made properly. Then you will write name of the writer. I have given you in the beginning Mehak. So you will write this date, your name Mehak over here, and then designation activity in charge, and then you will enclose it in a box. In our real classes also, children, you have written a notice and you have to write a notice well in your fair notebook in a good handwriting, and revise it well and try to write on some other topics. And I am giving you one more story in PDF. You have to read this chapter and I will explain it in next class so that you can understand it well. Thank you.